How to fix WhatsApp keeps stopping error on Android device. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on a device and search for WhatsApp just to make sure you have an updated version of the application. Here you can see there is no option of update, and this clearly shows that we have an updated version of the WhatsApp application. So now we're going to go back and make a long press on the WhatsApp application. So simply tap on the app info option. As you tap on app info, it will lead us to a new page where you'll be able to see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on it and simply select on clear cache and tap on OK. As you do that, you can relaunch the WhatsApp application, and if that doesn't fix the issue, what you can simply do is make a long press on the power button and then simply tap on reboot and restart the device. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.